Hi there. This is a very amateur recording. This is for I don't know. It might help someone. Recently, my son wanted to play Trollcrafters, a TrollHunter mod off of Mcreator. He's pretty young, so he doesn't know how to install things on computers. So he asked me if I could do it, and I wasn't sure if it was spyware or whatever. But I read through it, and it kind of made sense. To be able to use the mod, you need to have access to Minecraft Java Bedrock edition. For me, I'm running it off of PC. You could have it off of Linux or whatever platform. But this requires Java, and it also requires you to purchase this edition through your Microsoft account. Or if you have PC Game Pass, you can use that. So that's a different story. You have to be able to have this associated with your what do you call it, Microsoft account, and so you have to purchase it. It's around $20 to $25. But once you have that and you've installed it, this is assuming you've installed Java Bedrock onto your computer. I went through this, trying to find out how to install the mod for that Minecraft. And you get down to over here to the bottom, and it mentions these modification files. So these are the different versions. This is the oldest version. You probably want the latest version, version 1.16.5. The version is important because it correlates to the Minecraft version that you want to install onto Minecraft. So after you click on this link, it'll take you to the download page, and right over here in this small little section is a link called Instructions of the Process. Click on that, and it'll take you to this page, which tells you how to go through and install the mod. And so this is the part that's going to be the interesting part. Hopefully this is helpful to someone. Sorry about talking for so long. So you need the Microsoft launcher for Minecraft, and here I have Minecraft launcher over here. I'm going to load it. So it's loading, but while it's loading, I'm going to go talk about, they say you need to download Minecraft Forge, the same version. So if we go back over here, I wanted to download version 1.16.5. So I click onto here, and it takes me to the download page for Minecraft Forge. I find 1.15, and the one that I need is, or actually 1.16.5. So I need this one, and I'm going to click on that. And it has the recommended version, and you click on the installer, so I'm going to download that. So after 5 seconds, it'll download the Forge file, and so I'm just starting from over here, download and install Minecraft Forge. Press the skip button, and it wants you to download it. It's a bit slow. So then you need to install that Forge file. Still downloading it. It's having some issues, but I had actually downloaded it already. I think it's over here. Actually downloaded already. So it's over here. You need Java to run it and install it. So you have to go to java.com and download and install it if you don't already have Java installed. Clicked on this link and I installed Java. So that's a different issue. Once you've installed Java, you can go back to the SourceForge file, right click, and open with the little Java icon. And you can install the client and just click OK. And it's going to go through the process of installing the client. When it's done, you can use it inside of the Minecraft. See, it's finally installed it. I'm opening the Minecraft launcher. So, waiting for it to load. Let's go back to the instructions. We've already completed this step over here, download and install Minecraft Forge. Now we need to do this step, which is make a new mod installation. Open Minecraft launcher. We need to do a new installation profile, and then we're going to do that, okay? So under installations up here in the top left, click on that, and we're going to create a new installation over here. And I'll call it TrollHunter Test. Now we need to find the server version. We just created through this step over here, Minecraft Forge. When we installed it, it created a server version for us. So that was, to me, that was the most confusing part about doing this, is once you click on there, you can type in Forge, and you'll see release 1.16.5 Forge. So that's what we want. That's what was installed in the previous step, where I right-clicked on the download and did open over here. It created this version that's now available through the create new installation window for Minecraft installations. Now over here, we want to create probably create a custom directory. So what I did was, under Minecraft, I created something called installations, and you can create a new folder under there, and I'll call it what's it called? TrollHunter Test, okay? You can name it anything, but I'm going to call it TrollHunter Test. Did it work? Yes. And then you go create. So I create TrollHunter Test. Let's go back to the instructions. Now that we've done that, that's what step 4 they said, to create a separate custom folder, which we just did. It says run the game once and then move to the next step. Okay. So I'm going to run TrollHunter Test one time. It gives me this warning. Play it. You don't have to go that far. It just has to open up. It's waiting to install right now. And the bottom has a status bar where it's preparing. So, in the very beginning, there was the still loading. The file, this Trollcrafters Forge, this is the mod file that we're going to have to move into a mod folder. It was downloaded, remember the very first homepage for Mcreator.net? Once you click on that, it should have downloaded the file, the jar file for your custom mod. So now that this is loaded, we're good. We don't have to actually create a game. We just quit the game. And then, what's it called? I'm going to go back to the launcher just because I want to find the directory of the custom installation that I created. Remember how I did Troll Hunter test for the folder? You can just click on this folder here and it'll probably take you there. So it's that's the nice part. Just go under installations, then find the installation you want and click on the folder. And because you open the game once, there's a mods folder. You go into mods, and now all we have to do is go take that Trollcrafters mod file, copy it, and then paste it into the folder. So again, this is what I did. I went to the installation I want, open the folder, go into mods, make sure I download the correct version that I want. You probably want the newest one since it probably has less bugs. Once you click on it, it should automatically download the file. You can see over there. And then go into your downloads folder and take the mod file, copy it into the mods directory. And at that point, now you can actually run it like normal. So I already have I don't want to start it from scratch, but I already have one over here that's called Minecraft Troll Hunter, which I'm going to play. And hopefully it has the save game where it shows you that he has the Troll Hunter sword. You see it says do scan of the Troll Hunter Forge file. And so that's it. Hopefully my video kind of made sense. Again, this is not really a tutorial. I just wanted to make it because over the weekend my kid wanted to play this Mcreator mod and I wasn't sure how to do it, but it was doable. It was just finding the instructions. I had trouble finding the instructions, and so now I can load single player, and there's already some worlds here. I'm gonna select the newest one I can find. I'm gonna play. I know what I'm doing. And so, waiting for it to load. That's it. It's a little choppy because I'm recording right now, but you can see it has the amulet of we'll see if there's I guess you'll have to take my word for it. I really don't know how to. Oh no, that's the amulet of daylight. But that's it. Not sure if there's any other Troll Hunter type stuff around here, but that's my short video. Hopefully it helps someone. I don't know if it helped anyone, but it's what I did over the weekend. Over now.